Hey guys, what's going on? Sparky here. Today we've got the Ryobi 1+ system, 18 volt system combination kit. This is a special buy that's coming out of Home Depot right now. This is their P166 kit. So in the box it comes with, real quick, run down the part numbers. So it's got two of the P191 3 amp hour lithium plus HP batteries. It's got a P118B charger, the tool bag, and operator's manual. I want to open up and say that this kit is a special buy right now from Home Depot. Every now and then they bundle this up and sell them. This was a Black Friday deal. They may still be running it, depending upon how quickly I can get this edited and put up for you. But this was a $130, $129 for the batteries, 2 batteries, the charger, and the bag. And with that, you also got a free tool of your choice on a list of ones that they were offering. So, what did I choose? We'll get to that next, but first things first, we're going to dig into this box and see what's up. So, it is glued together. We'll rip the side open. And first out is the charger. This is their little compact charger. It is a lithium. I don't know if it's a dual chemistry. I think it's just a lithium battery pack, lithium pack charger. So I'll have to double check in the manual to see. But this is their lithium plus 18 volt compact charger. So you just you can hang it up. It's got plugs on the back here, so you'd be able to mount it up on the wall. And it gives you the dimensions there for you, 2.5 inches between the screws. So you can mount this up on your wall, or you can actually leave the battery sit, turn it over and sit on it that way, or just drop the battery into it and it shows the indication whether it's too hot, too cold, it's bad, it's in the process of charging, and it's full. So those are the light configurations. We might get through a more in-depth evaluation, and we'll go through the manual. Here's some paperwork. Looks like owner's manuals for the batteries and charger. We'll flip through that in another video if you guys want to see that. Safeties and other stuff. Okay, we might dig into that, like I said, in another video. So here is the bag. This is a pretty generous bag. I actually already bought one of these kits before for my wife, and she loves this little bag to put her tools in. So that works pretty nice. Plenty of room to be able to put whatever other tools you picked up in this combination kit deal that they offer, buying the batteries and getting the tool. And that's all there is in this box. These 2 batteries, the charger, and the manuals, just like it said, they didn't lie. So here is the battery. It's in a bag. Got nice little spring-loaded clips on the sides to snap into the tools. It's got rubber edges along here to non-skid, which is pretty good if you've got tools or something, a big tool plugged into it, and sit there and hold it on your workbench. That's pretty nice. Some of the other batteries, depending upon, I don't think the pluses, I think those batteries are all just hard plastic. They don't have this additional rubber, so that's a nice little upgrade. This is a 3 amp hour battery, and like their commercials are always saying, all of their 18 volt lithium battery packs, the 1+ kit works with the 1+ battery. So that's one reason I do like them, because you can get a variety of different tools, and as long as you have a couple of these like I have now, 2 more, you can use whatever tool you need when you need it. So, well, that's all there is in that box right there. Pretty simple. We'll go ahead and plug in this charger right here, and you can see the light lights up. A little red light there. Might not be able to see that. Yeah, it's red. With the camera, it might not look it. But yeah, one thing, that these have a fuel gauge on them, and so you push the button and they light up with how much voltage is in them. These look like they've been sitting around a little while, so they are very low. We need to get them topped off as quickly as possible. And with most lithium batteries, they usually like to sit about 80% full. That's their best resting voltage capacity wise. So we'll get this set up, and I will set a timer and see how long it takes to actually charge these up from brand new. That way, in case you guys have a project to work on, you'll know how much time you're going to need once you crack these open before you're able to use them on the job site. So that's it. This is the combination kit, the special buy, 2 3-amp-hour batteries and compact charger. I don't think it's by chemistry. So if you got old nickel NiCad batteries, the nickel cadmium batteries, if you've got those, this charger might not work. But I mean, if you've got those, you know, awesome, good on you. So like I said, this is the P166 kit from Ryobi that has 2 P191 batteries, which are 3-amp-hour lithium plus HP batteries. And it also comes with the P118B charger and a tool bag. Throw that up there. There you go. Oh right, you guys were wondering what free tool I got. I was really wanting to save up because it is an expensive tool, and for this kit and this deal that they were offering this Black Friday weekend, they actually opened it up to include none other than this, the 1/2-inch impact wrench that's got the 3-speed. This was my Black Friday haul from Home Depot. Went and got the battery packs and came home with a free wrench. Stay tuned for this unboxing. If it's available, it'll be in a card right now. Again, thanks guys for watching. If you liked the video, drop a like. If you want to see more of this, go ahead and subscribe and let me know in the comments what you want to see. More Ryobi tools, more tools of something else, tech, software, games, let me know. And again, if you have any questions on any of this stuff, let me know. I'll dig into it and try to bring you guys some answers. All right, till next time, guys, this is Sparky, and I'm in the Hack Shack. We'll talk to you later.